Hi, to use voice typing on your Samsung Galaxy A35, firstly we can go in Google Chrome, and here in the search bar we can see this microphone icon, which is for voice input. So you can tap on this icon, say something, and it will be searched for in the internet. So let's try this out. Google News. And as you can see, I just said Google News and Google understand my request and just gave me information about my request. By the way, you can install different pack of languages just by going in the settings. Here choose general management, and after that you should see voice input. So go in there, and here you can install any language pack to use offline. So just tap this arrow to install any language, and here you need to tap button install. And by the way, you can use voice input right on your keyboard. For that, you need to go in your default keyboard settings. It could be Samsung, it could be Gboard, it doesn't matter. Just tap its settings, and here scroll to see this voice input setting. And after that, you can choose either Google Voice Typing or Samsung Voice Typing. So let's try this out. I'm just gonna open Google Chrome again and trigger my keyboard, and now we can see this microphone icon on the bottom. So let's say something. Here we need to allow to record audio, so let's select while using the app. Tap continue, and now trigger again. So, Google News, and tap go to search for it, and yep, it's working as well. We can go back in the settings, but for now select Google Voice Typing, and let's try this out again. Google News. So yes, you can see that both options are working, but they are different just like in appearance. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.